Hi darlings, I'll be showing you how to use a pair setting machine. Though when gotten from the market, you will discover that at the other side of the machine, they are written out some of the instructions you are going to use in using the pair machine. But in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the machine without just reading it. You have to do it practical to be sure that yes, you are good. This machine is used to design your fabric with beads. Sometimes you can have a particular fabric and you want to get it looking beautiful and outstanding. With this pair setting machine, you are good. So what you have to do is to learn the machine. Once you've learned the machine, you can go over to using it. Now, when you get this pair machine, there is a pack that contains all the machine's equipment, that is each size of the beads. This pack contains all sizes of beads. We have the smallest size of bead, bigger size of pair bead, the medium size of pair bead, and the larger size of the pair beads. These are the instruments you'll be using. So these pins, this you have to fix it in here. Like you see, I'm losing out one of them from this pair setting machine. This one is the small one, and this particular band I've raised up, that is for the machine. Sometimes you cannot just use something for long without it misbehaving and all of that. That is meant to loosen the machine. Sometimes whenever it's having issues left, right, and center, you can just loosen it and then everything will go back. You see, that particular place is just to raise it up and to bring it down. That is a clip. You raise it up, you bring it down. You just raise it up and bring it down, and you are good to go. So let's put that aside, since we've gotten out that it comes in different sizes. The next thing you have to understand that this pair setting machine comes with pins. We have the pairs pins. These pins are those already made pins you see they use in putting it at the back of it. So you see the pair setting machine, then you see these are my beads we'll be using for these exercises. We have different sizes of beads so that I can use different size of the clip so that you can understand. These are the pins. You understand? These particular pins, this is how it is. They don't have any size. It's just the small size. No matter the size of bead you are using, you must use this kind of pin. This is what is used to hold it to your fabric. And now let's go over it to designing. This is the fabric I'll be using for this particular tutorial. You can see it's without foam. It's without foam. So first thing you have to do is to get your beads, the beads which you are going to be using. You see the fabric is just there is no design on it. But if you want to just design, you get it done. You don't have to go over and start paying anybody to do it for you. Just buy your pair setting machine. Some of you have this pair setting machine, but you don't know how to use it. This is for you. So you just bring out the size of the bead, get the size of the bead, no matter the size, get it with your machine. See me here, I'll put it on all this clip. This, I'm bringing it out here for you to know the size of the bead. You bring out all the inches. When you bring it out all, you are going to put your bead to be sure that yes, it suits it perfectly. Those clips has its sizes, and when you see that it suits it perfectly, then you pick that particular one and you lock it up to the machine. Do you see that? You see what I'm doing right away? I'm locking it up to the machine. You have to close it tight, make it very tight. You lock it up together, you see, and then it's tight. Once I heat it up, you see nothing is falling out. I make sure it's tight, and then we are good to go. As soon as I've done that, I'll know that yes, that particular pair bead is for that size of clip. The next thing you have to do is to get your fabric and put it at the midpoint of it, and then you get your pair pins. You put it inside the midpoint of the underneath. When you put it there, you just put your fabric in between the both of them, and then you heat it. You see, it's so simple and very, very easy. You don't have a problem doing this. You just put it like that, and it's so simple. You can see this is so simple and very easy. You just get this done, and everything is so good. Behind it, you see it looking so clean and already made. You don't have to start using needle and thread to start stitch, and then the back of your design or back of your fabric is looking so tacky, so odd, so rough, and all of that. With this, you just put your pin in between and bam. You see, do you see what I'm doing? It's so easy. Let's do it continuously. You pick your pin, put it at the midpoint, pick your bead, put it under the clip, put your fabric in between them, and then you hit. You just raise the clipper, raise it up, and then you hit it. Do you see how the fabric is getting formed? It's getting shape. It's coming out so beautiful. You just repeat this continuously. As I'm doing mine, you can as well get your machine close to you and practice while you are doing it. You put your pearl bead, your pearl pin inside the hole. That hole is meant to be there. Inside it, when you put it there, you put your bead underneath that clip. When you put it underneath there, you see, this is so beautiful. The back is so clean. Nothing is rough. When you see, you put your pin inside, put your beads up, put your fabric in between it, and you hit it. You don't need stress. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to stress yourself raising the pin. Oh, it's a very big something. You have to raise it, and then you have to hit it. You have to more like a hammer to hit it tight. No. You just bam, like all this safety pin you put, and all stapler. You just more like a stapler. You just hit it like that, and you are good. So now I had to change the bead so that just to beautify, to tell you this is so beautiful. Depending on your fabric, you can see that this color does not even rhyme with what I'm doing. But then depending on your fabric, your choice of beads, you just put them, and then you are out. You are looking so beautiful, so gorgeous and outstanding. With beads in your fabric, you're looking just so wow. You just light everything up. You come out and the heads are turning. You just pick up a plain fabric in your house, and then you get your pearl setting machine. You set it just like I've taught you, and then you put your beads on it. Depending on the size of bead and on the color of the bead, you just bead some particular area, and then people begin to ask you, wow, how did you get this? With this knowledge, you are good. You see me putting it, you just pick your bead and put it under the clip, and then you pick the pins, the pearl beads, and put it, and it's so simple. Wow, this is having so much shape, and it's coming out so beautiful. I love the outcome already. It's giving. All right, let's go to the next step. Now what I want to show you is another size of bead. I told you earlier we'll be working in different sizes of bead. So now this one we've worked with earlier is the small size of bead. So that's not the smallest, it's just the small size of bead. This one I'm working with now is the medium size of bead. So we have to remove this. We can't make use of this. So you see me losing it out. You remove this inch which you've put it here, you remove it and bring out all those ones back again to get the exact size. You have to keep this very careful. You don't have to trash it or throw it away or be careless with it, so it will not pour out, and then you will not miss any size of your inch. So you just put it there. You see, now you are good. Now I'm already good with it, so I don't even need to come and be sizing every now and then. When I look at my distance, all my inches, I know which is the size of any bead. So I just put it in there, and then I quickly knot it inside so that it will go. You can see me doing that, going, and it's going, and I'm closing it up together. Closing it up together to bring out a beautiful format. You see, when I close it up, I have to equally hit it down to be sure that yes, it's okay. And then I put my bead. I put my bead in between it, put my bead inside it again, pick out my pear pin, put it inside that hole, and then take my fabric, put it in between. and then just hit. And that's all. It's just so simple. It's so simple and easy, you see? This is just so easy. With this method, you can do it without without practicing it right away. Without practicing it right away, once you get your pair setting machine, you open it, you just set it, get your size of bead, put your bead inside the inch, and then take your pair pins and put it in between, and you are good to go. Serving you right, bringing out your outfit, bringing it to light, and you make the room, you pleat the room. Everything, it's so beautiful. I keep repeating the process so that you won't get it wrong, you will get it right. You see, we're having different sizes of bead, different colors, and then we are showing you how to get it right. You put your setting, your pearl setting machine pin inside the hole, and then you put the bead underneath that inch, then you clip it together. By such doing, you are looking so amazing. Do you see the beauty this has come out to be? It came out so beautiful and it's fine. It's not like the material you've seen before. It's not like the normal fabric you've seen before. And with this, you can start up a business at any point. You get out any fabric and design it like a scarf for ladies. Even if it's the front piece of it, you design it and you send it out. If you learn this,